Hello guys, that is Happy Meal toy. And then today we're gonna unbox this Happy Meal toy.
What's inside kaya?
Pteranodon! Chadan! Wait for a minute. And then